Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I was talking about, jailhouse mod and blue mechanical switches. Uh, this is what they sound like without any modification. And here's the ones I've modded so far. And I've also modified my spacebar. These are all blue mechanicals, every one of them. They're all jailhouse modded, and this is what they originally sounded like. I'm redoing stabilizers and everything up here. I've got all these ones here I gotta still pull. I'm lubing stabilizers and all. Well, that's it.